Hi everyone, I'm here today to show you how to make your very own magic ring, or start your own magic ring, or a slip knot. You're going to need some scissors, a crochet hook in your choosing. I've got a 5mm hook, and then whatever kind of yarn you'd like to use. I've got a medium weight acrylic. Alright, so to get started, go ahead and grab your yarn by the tail. And you're going to want to use 2 or 3 fingers to wrap your yarn around to create your circle, or your ring. And just like so, wrap it around. Make sure you got your tail end. Alright, so now you want to take your crochet hook and you want to insert it into that back loop that you've made. So we're going to put our hook under and then go over that one and grab him. Go through. Alrighty, there we go. And then kind of secure it there by wrapping it around your hook a little. There we go. And you can either use this as a magic ring, like I said. What you want to do is chain 1 onto this. And then you can start to crochet in the round, as we call it. Or go ahead and pull this tail end closed, and you've made your very own slip knot there, and you are ready to start crocheting your very own stitches, whatever you'd like. Alright guys, any questions, send me a holler. It's been a pleasure. Take care.